Your stock amp is lying to you. AudioControl D-4.800 unleashes the beast hiding in your sound system. You're trying to build the ultimate sound system, but your stock amp is straight up ghosting your potential. You tweak, test, and second-guess everything, only to end up with sound that's flat, muddy, and lifeless. No punch, no clarity, just a mess of frequencies crashing into each other like bad karaoke. You're constantly fiddling with EQs, fighting distortion, and still wondering why nothing ever sounds right. Let's be honest, you didn't spend good money on great speakers just to have them choked by a weak, clueless, outdated amp. Enough is enough. Deadlines for car shows are creeping closer. Your head's spinning with tuning apps and crossover charts. You're burning hours on YouTube rabbit holes just to figure out why your bass vanishes at volume. Stress builds. Your dream build? Now it's just another unfinished project. That creeping dread? That's burnout, disguised as just a few more tweaks. Every minute wasted with trial and error tuning is another missed opportunity to actually enjoy the ride. You start questioning if true high-fidelity audio in your car is even possible. Spoiler: it is, but not with what you've got now. Meet the AudioControl D-4.800, your plug-and-play audio redemption arc. This is not just an amp. It's 800 watts of intelligent firepower fused with pro-grade DSP that lets you sculpt your sound with surgical precision. Want 30-band EQ, time alignment, real-time analysis, input summing, and crossovers that actually make sense? You got it. Crave deep bass that doesn't disappear when you turn it up? Hello, AccuBass. Need to control everything from your laptop like a studio engineer? Yup, you're covered with the Smart User DSP app. Whether you're integrating with OEM or going full custom, this is the amp that finally makes it all click. Sound clean, clear, and powerful, exactly how you imagined it. No guesswork. No compromises. Just control. Imagine sound that punches hard but stays crystal clear. Bass that's tight, mids that breathe, and highs that cut through like a scalpel, not a sledgehammer. The D-4.800 doesn't just sound better, it makes everything you install sound smarter. Verified buyers rave, tight bass, clean output, easy to set up. One Redditor called it seriously impressive, did a 3-hour tuning session with 0 disconnects. Another reviewer paired it with Hertz and JL gear, absolutely love it. With its 30-band EQ, AccuBass, MILC clipping LEDs, GTO signal sensing, and OEM-friendly inputs, it's basically the Swiss Army knife of audio upgrades. Crutchfield calls it clean, powerful, very dynamic. Want proof? Just listen to any system running the D-4.800. Your eardrums will sign a thank you card. You've got the gear, now give it the guts to shine. This beast isn't sitting on shelves forever. Audiophiles and installers are scooping up the AudioControl D-4.800 like concert tickets, and trust us, stock does sell out. You've waited long enough. Stop fighting your system. Stop tweaking for hours with nothing to show. Buy now. Unleash the power. Level up your sound, before someone else grabs the last one. Thousands of tuners already made the switch. Want proof? Just listen. Your perfect system is 1 amp away. Secure yours today, before it disappears into someone else's dashboard.